Poutama Ahi Kaa is a further opportunity for us as in Waikawa, us as in Te Atiawa ki Waikawa, us as in Waikawa Whānau, to collectively grow our knowledge and understanding about ourselves.
Because this is a community Marae, that knowledge needs to be out there to help people understand each other, to build a greater understanding between the various communities that live in this region or anywhere, you know, because I think that there's such a diverse population these days that the more you know and understand about each other, the better it is.
So we're learning about each po. So today we're learning about the waka wall and sometimes waka migration. Next week we're going to learn about our history about the other side of the wall, which is our wall.
And you've got those other kaitiaki doing their jobs. They're working together in unity.
I've seen it in a different light for me, you know, and my grandchildren come here and I can talk to them. They say, you know, this one's this and this is, and the reasons behind why they're there. Yeah, for me it's a journey that's taken a number of years, but it's never too late to learn.
You know, there's a lot of us that are not unsure about a lot of those taonga that our tupuna has left behind, and so hence that we are so privileged and honoured to be able to come back onto Waikawa Marae and to learn all those things that we need to. And as I said before, who for and for our mokopuna.
It's not about one or two people knowing, it's about us all collectively knowing, so that one, we have a greater understanding of who we are, it affirms our identity, but also that it strengthens our connections and our links with one another. So the Pūtahitanga has been a huge help in providing us with a vehicle to be able to do that.
It's been good actually, and it's been enlightening. No doubt when we finish today, we'll just carry on and we'll revise what we've learned, what we've found out. So it's very good.